Hi, I'm Sabrina from English con Kilian and welcome to my 1-minute videos to teach you some expressions that native speakers use every day in English. Let's go. What's up? What are you up to? And any word from. I'm going to quickly explain these three expressions. What's up we can use for how are you in a very colloquial street way, or we can use for what's wrong? What happened to you? Okay, so what's up? You look down, or what's up? You look sad. Okay? What are you up to means what are you doing? So what are you up to? And it's often referring to, are you being secretive? What are you up to? Or what did you get up to at the weekend? So this is get up to. Or what are you getting up to next weekend? Or what are you up to next weekend is okay as well. And the answer would be, I'm not up to anything if it's negative, or I'm not doing anything, or I'm going kayaking, or I went to the moon, or whatever, okay? So if it's a positive answer, you do not say I am up to, you say what you're doing, okay? Next one, any word from. This means have you heard from someone or something. For example, any word back from your interview. Have you heard news about your interview? Or any word from your mum. I haven't heard from her in a while. Okay, so do you have news of somebody? It's up to you. This expression means it's your decision. If someone says it's up to you, they prefer you make the decision, okay? We can go for Chinese or we can go for Indian. It's up to you. It's no wonder. It's a wonder. I wonder. So, wonder has more meanings than something being wonderful or the 7 wonders of the world. It also means these things, but if someone says to you, it's no wonder, it means that it's not strange for them. For example, he failed the exam. It's no wonder because he didn't study. Okay, no me extraña. It's a wonder. This means it's strange. So it's a wonder he didn't pass the exam because he studied very hard. It's strange that he didn't pass the exam. And then finally, I wonder. I ask myself, I wonder if he will pass the exam because he didn't study a lot. Or I wonder what we're going to do this weekend. Okay? So far, so good. This expression means until now, everything is okay. So if someone asks you how your work is going, you could say, so far, so good. Is okay. Under the weather. We use the expression under the weather when we're not feeling very well. Okay? It means mildly sick, not very sick. Okay? I'm not going to go to the party because I'm feeling under the weather. I have a cold. Okay? On my way versus in my way. On my way means that you're on the path to someone, you're going in the direction of someone or something. So you could call and say, I'm on my way, I will be there in 5 minutes. In the way or in my way means that you're in the middle of my path. You're blocking my path. So can you please move the car? It's in my way. Or could you stand to one side? You're in my way. So on my way versus in my way. One letter makes all the difference. I'm behind on, catch up on, and bring me up to speed on. I'm behind on my work. I have a delay. I need to catch up on my work. I need to stop being delayed with my work and recuperate the schedule. And bring me up to speed is tell me what is happening so I have all the news. Okay? So I'm behind on my work. I need to catch up on my work. And I need to get up to speed with my work. Can you bring me up to speed with my work? To catch up with can also be to meet someone that you haven't seen for a long time. We should catch up and have a drink together, for example. We haven't had a drink together in a long time. Never mind. Do you mind or would you mind? And out of my mind. If someone says never mind, it means it doesn't matter. It's okay. For example, can you help me with this project? I'm sorry, I don't have time. Never mind. It's okay. Do you mind or would you mind? Someone is going to ask you something. Do you mind is less formal. Do you mind helping me with my project? And you could say, yeah, sure, no problem. Or someone could say, would you mind helping me? It's a little more polite. Yeah, no problem, for example. If you are out of your mind, it means you're crazy. If you are going out of your mind, it means you are going crazy. I'm going out of my mind with worry. I don't know where he is. Or this project is driving me out of my mind. Okay? Here you are, here you go. These expressions mean here. So if you're in a cafe and you ask for a coffee, for example, the waiter could say, here you go, or here you are. I wish I could. That's too bad, or that's a pity. If someone says, I wish I could, they're saying no. They want to help you, but no, they can't. I wish I could. Can you help me with the project? Oh, I wish I could, sorry. And you could say, oh, that's too bad, or that's a pity. That's too bad is, oh, I wish you could. Or that's a pity, it's, oh, I'm sorry to hear that, okay? Better than nothing. Better than nothing means maybe what you have or what you're doing isn't the best or is very little, but it's better than nothing. Or something is better than nothing. For example, sorry, I only have one piece of bread left. It's okay, better than nothing. Or I only have 10 minutes to help you. Better than nothing. Sorry to bother you, and when you get a chance. Sorry to bother you is you're going to ask for help or you're going to ask someone something. So you can start with, sorry to bother you. Could you tell me where the bank is? Or sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment to help me? So you're apologizing first for something that you're going to ask. You can also say, when you get a chance. And it means when you have an opportunity, when you have a few minutes. When you get a chance, can you send me the report? So it's a polite way of asking something. It's my fault. I'm to blame or I blame you. If something happens and you did it, you could say, it's my fault, sorry. Or I am to blame. Or you can blame me. Or you could say, I think you did this. It's your fault. I blame you. You're to blame. It's familiar to me. This little expression means that something sounds like something you should know. You're not very sure, but it's ringing a bell in your head like, I know that. For example, do you know the grammar structure with used to? It's familiar to me, but you don't know it very well. Okay? Or that sounds familiar. Or that looks familiar. So you recognize something, but not very well. That concludes our short explanations of little common expressions. And if you want me to explain anything, please let me know below in the comments or ask me, and I will do that. And if you enjoyed that, please subscribe for more. And you can grab your ebook below in the comments as well to help you improve your English. See you soon.